In this activity, students use clues to identify the order of numbers and complete the number line. Card number 17, let's work on that. Card number 17 shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 spots, and we see 93, 95. That means there is this slide, the small one is 94, 95. So this is skip counting by twos. If this is 93, this is 91, 89, 87, 85, 83, and 81. The first number is 81. The number line starts with 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, which is given. 95 is also given. 97, this got to be 97, 99, and 101. 97, 99, and 101. Let's get another one. This is 101, 111, and this is 117, 111, 113, 115, 117. This number line is also skip counting by twos. Card number 18. If this is 111, this got to be 109, and this is 107. 107, 109, 111, 113, 115, 111 is given to us. 117 is also given to us. The next one is 119, 121, 123, and 125, and 127. And 74, and there are two places in between 68 and 74. So this is 68, 70, 72, 74. This is also skip counting by twos. Card number 11. 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth box is 68. 70. 72. 74 is also given to us. 76 and 78. 68, 66, 64, 62, 60, and 58. The first one. Here are the directions. Students use these directions to work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.